Like, are we rolling? Okay, we may want to leave that in. We're here in the green pastures by the majestic Fraser River. With me, as always, on camera is Rick Von Schmidt. Rick, you want to keep moving? Ooh, nice little doggy there. Loretta Lynn, the first lady of country music, the coal miner's daughter. Believe it or not, this sweet gal got her first big break in a very unusual location, a backyard chicken coop in Vancouver. When sweet Loretta was a teenager in the 1950s, she moved to Custer, Washington, just south of Vancouver. She taught herself how to play the guitar, all 7 strings. Around this time, a good Vancouverite named Mac McGregor converted his old chicken coop into a place for country music parties. He rigged his coop with a state-of-the-art sound system. People came from miles around to dance at one of Mac's wild hoedowns. Once in a while, a neighbor called the police. I know an ambulance was called at least once. Now I'm talking about wild stuff. At this time, I'd like to say a special hello to our viewers who are hospital patients, pensioners, shut-ins, and other good folks who can't make it out today. This is the spot where the chicken coop was, and I'm going to put a picture of the old location up now. Looks like our cameraman Rick wants to come at it from another angle. If you're just joining us, we're talking about Loretta Lynn. In 1959, Loretta heard about the Vancouver chicken coop jamborees. She came here, sang her tunes, and blew the lid off the coop. It was Chicken Halloween that night. They say you could see the feathers flying from the other side of the river. Particularly impressed with this young, unknown singer were some producers from the local Zero Records who happened to be here. These fellas had never seen such talent before. They signed Sweet Loretta and she recorded the song she sang in the coop, I'm a Honky Tonk Girl. And it was a big hit. Big hit. Then she literally flew the coop and went to Nashville. Ever since, she's the most awarded female country singer whatever was, and whatever will be. All thanks to the coop. The old chicken coop was demolished in the 1970s. The land was subdivided and new residential houses were built. Now we have a special guest to read the commemorative plaque, Walter Cronkite. This is unbelievable. Go ahead, Walter. Thank you, Jean-Claude. Country music legend Loretta Lynn was discovered in 1959 by record executives from the small Vancouver label Zero. They heard her sing at a backyard jam session in a large chicken coop. The record executives thought the gal had potential, and by the swip, you rushed it. I couldn't, Hey, that's okay, Walter. Well, that's going to do it for today. Thanks to Bev Scheckman for makeup and Juul Haalmeyer for wardrobe. Thanks for watching, everyone. And please check out my other fun vlogs of old Vancouver as she once was. Until next time, that's a good beat. You can cut it there, Rick. Rick, you just snip it. I'm out of text here, buddy. Rick, you wanna cut it? Rick, we've seen that already. Black hole. Shh.